Hello everyone, it is very important for you to know that which level of English speaking actually you are in, whether you are a beginner, whether you are an intermediate speaker, whether you are an advanced speaker. In order to understand that, first of all, you have to understand certain situation, certain observation that you have to find within yourself so that you can point out that whether you are progressing or not, how much your progression right now is and how you are actually going ahead in your life in terms of English speaking and what is your track. First of all, you have to understand that, and to reach from beginner level to advanced level or intermediate level, you should notice that how well you are speaking English and certain observation you have to find out. Let's check it out that what are the things that is actually indicating that now you are a intermediate speaker or you are a advanced speaker, right? So in order to understand that, let us talk about one by one. First of all, if you are someone who is not translating or who is not caring about the tenses while speaking English, or who is not caring about the which grammatical structure you are picking up and talking, then my friend, you are not in your beginning level. You might be intermediate speaker or you might be an advanced speaker. Why I'm saying that you might be intermediate or advanced speaker? Because there are a lot of factors that is determining whether you are an intermediate speaker or maybe an advanced speaker, right? One disclaimer that I am only talking about English speaking. English writing factors like advanced, like beginning and at beginner level or advanced level is completely different, because person with great writing skill may not be a good speaker. That you have to understand. Person with good speaking skill or in a particular person who can speak English fluently and confidently with a smooth flow may not be able to write good English. That's the disclaimer from my side. So I'm not talking about English learning or English writing. I am only talking about English speaking and English communication. That is my motto of this particular video. So actually take this particular feedback or take this particular video as I am talking only from the respect of English speaking, right? The fact is that if you are someone, as I have told you, that if you are not caring about your grammatical structure while speaking English or tenses or translation, then my friend, you are definitely not in your beginning level. You are an intermediate speaker or might be you are an advanced speaker, right? Because it is very important to understand that why you are not translating, because you have done a lot of practice, you have talked with different person, different people, and that's why you have reached that level where you don't need to think about the translation inside in your head, which actually taking a lot of time. I have interacted with so many people. They have one complaint that, while speaking, every time I am just thinking about that what next I am going to say, how to construct the sentence. It is always their problem, right? In the beginning. Trust me, this problem is not permanent. This problem will be vanished, and that's why I'm saying that basic level to advanced level you will reach when you will be leaving that problem behind. And it's a slow progression. In the initial stage, you will be translating a lot. I'm not saying that you should not translate. You will be translating a lot in the initial stage. That's common. That's very common. That's happened with me too as well, right? But the second thing, many people I have seen that complain that I am thinking about too much grammar, whether I am speaking the correct grammatical sentence or not, whether it is grammatically correct or not. See guys, the one fact, one truth, one fact I am always admiring, that whatever I am speaking today, there is a lot of grammatical mistake is there. I'm agreeing with this fact. But my motive is to speak and just convey my message. Whether you are able to. Yes, if you say me that, Raj, some point of view I'm not able to understand. Definitely I have to improve that, my friend. It is also me who is also a learner, right? So for me, it is also equally important to take any negative feedback or any feedback from your side so that I can improve my English, right? So I am focusing on that, whether I am actually, trying to make you understand or capable enough to make you understand any particular thing or not. If this is clear, then the third thing, then also another important thing that I want to talk about, that is is very important. It is not always that you are using advanced vocabs or advanced sentence structure, which is the factor, which is the identification that you are a advanced speaker. It is not about that. It is all about that you know how smoothly you can handle any situation. Suppose you will be given any talk suddenly, right? Suddenly you suppose you suddenly you see that your manager came to you, and you didn't have too much interaction with your manager. Suddenly he started talking with you in English language or about any particular thing. If you are, without caring about the grammar, without thinking about the grammar, tense and translation, you are free from all of these things, just randomly picked up the topic and you can give reply to your manager without any hesitation, then my friend, you are not at all a beginner. You are a intermediate speaker or might be advanced speaker, where you can convey your message. I'm not talking about that whether you are giving the right answer or wrong answer. That is not the point of discussion. That's up to you, whether you know that particular work related project or not. That's particular you my friend, who knows about that. What I'm saying is that you can confidently talk about that. You can present your thoughts. It should not be a language barrier that your manager is speaking with you in English and now you are saying that no manager, please can you talk with me in Hindi, or you are fumbling. Then if you are not doing this, so you can fluently, with its amazing smooth flow, with a calm voice, if you can actually speak that, then definitely you are a intermediate speaker, or might be you are a advanced speaker, right? And advanced speaker basically means that you can handle any situation without any fear of grammar, and you are using good words also. You can handle any situation, you can talk with anyone, no matter who they are, without thinking that they might be a better speaker than you. Then and you can deliver a general talk, general speak and anything, and that is possible, right? I'm giving you another disclaimer. I don't know whether I am which level I am in, whether might be whether I'm an intermediate speaker or more than that, or maybe I'm not at all an advanced speaker. I'm also a learner like you. But whatever I am doing, that's I'm just sharing with you so that you can track your progress, that what is there or what you should understand whenever you are talking about like basic to advanced level. Now, very crucial factor about basic to advanced level or basic to intermediate level is that how much time it takes to reach that level. It is very important to understand that why people are asking this question, because see that if you are someone, if I'm like you, when I just recently started my English, if I am just starting my English speaking journey very recently, I have started, then I would have the same question, that how much, because we are impatient, right? It may take 1 year, it may take more than that to reach the good level, but enjoying that journey is also important. Doing something is better than doing nothing. Suppose today you did not take the decision of learning English. You think that let me do it later. Then you are wasting your time. And you have started your journey today. You might not be a intermediate speaker, but you are enjoying your journey. You are slowly progressing from this particular level to this way. You are progressing. So in that situation also, you can handle a lot of situation. You can confidently present yourself also little bit. I'm saying that little bit. I'm not saying that you can fluently speak, but I'm saying that you can actually present yourself, right? So that is also important. So do not ask that question that how much time it takes. Yes, general rough idea, 1 year. Give properly with full dedication. It depends on your how much time you are giving. It depends on a lot of factors, right? Your environment and all, how passionate you are about this. So it depends on many factors. So considering that, I'm saying that do not ask this question, just enjoy the journey. It's important to enjoy that, and definitely you will reach from basic level to intermediate level, and then intermediate level to advanced level. It's something that is natural process. So I wanted to say only these few things. If you are new to my channel, then you can definitely subscribe my channel for getting this particular content and this kind of contents, right, videos. And I'll be keep posting videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye, and I will see you in the next